The Bird's Nest Stadium housed the 2008 Summer Olympics and took many years to complete during a design competition that began in 2001.
Yes! The Bird's Nest design was completed in 2003.
December 24, 2003. Time to break the ground.
And was first occupied on June 28, 2008 for the opening ceremony.
Hey, is that Michael Phelps?
The design was meant to be porous and collective, allowing people to enjoy each other's company. It consists of two independent structures standing 50 feet apart, a concrete bowl and the outer steel frame.
Sturdy.
Whoa, artists and architects, structural engineers and geologists all played an important part in creating the stadium.
Geologists especially, because one of the many potential problems was an
Earthquake! Woo! That was a challenge, making sure this bad boy could withstand an earthquake. True.
You got it.
Another problem arose with the roof. Although the team wanted a retractable roof, it became apparent it wasn't structurally stable enough. This forced designers to refocus and finally ended up with the Nest design. It applied coverage without the likelihood of collapse. All in all, the Bird's Nest Stadium in Beijing, China lived up to its goal to provide a safe and beautiful space for fans of every nation to cheer on their team.
Yeah, that's my girl! Let's go, baby! Yo!